To change DPI on POCO X8 Pro, like in my case, take a look, everything looks super small, like everything is much, the whole UI is bigger. So we have to go for About Phone for the first. You have to go for the OS version and keep tapping on this until you enable the developer options, and you have to input your screen lock. Now go back and scroll all the way down for additional settings. Then we have to go for developer options, and now just keep scrolling until we find that option. So I'm just going to show you where it is. It will be under the Bluetooth, and the animation scale is here. It's just over here, the smallest width. We have to tap on it, and when you input, for example, the 300, then everything will looks like super big. But if we go here back and input, for example, 400, then everything will be a little bit bigger. So that's how we can actually manage this option. Let's set, for example, 800. Everything is like super small, but also we get more space on the screen. So that's how we can actually manage this one. And thanks for watching.